I'm born in London. My dad's family is from Jamaica. My mum's family is from Ghana, but I'm born and brought up in London, England.
And where you are from?
I was born in Haiti and now I'm living in France.
Okay, which Jamaican street food would you try or recommend someone else to try?
Jamaican patties. I like chicken, jerk chicken, also callaloo, and something that I've tried for the first time, which isn't a street food, but it's a fruit, star apple. That has been amazing. I think everybody needs to try that.
Star Apple is amazing. What
Yes.
about you?
I'm vegetarian, so vegetarian food and fruits. It's very healthy.
Any Jamaican fruits you like?
Yeah, I try vegetarian food, vegetarian food only.
Les fruits.
I don't know the name of fruits, Jamaican fruits, but I tried mangoes, pineapple, and another one. I really like. Yeah.
And ITAL cooking as well, I think people should try, especially if you're vegetarian.
All right, that's it. I'm out.